A natural hybrid of mandarin and sweet orange, clementine produces an essential oil that is abundant in limonene and has an array of benefits with a sweet, fresh aroma. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's Clementine Essential Oil. And this comes in the 5 milliliter bottle, and the common uses for this are aromatic, so breathing it in, topical, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, and then internal. The main benefits of clementine essential oil is that it supports a healthy immune, respiratory, and digestive function, is uplifting to the mind, and naturally cleansing to the body. So lots of great benefits there. The directions for use are adding 3 to 5 drops in the petal diffuser or 6 to 10 drops in the Lumo diffuser. You can also add 4 drops per 16 ounces of alkaline water or a green smoothie of choice. And then you can add 1 to 2 drops with fractionated coconut oil to supplement your skincare routine. And there's lots of other uses for that. These are just some of my favorites. But that concludes today's video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I'll see you in the next video.